my version of a bead breaker. Do it at home, under the carport, or in the garage. 2x2, 1/8 inch steel tube. Right, here's where the floor jack will go and sit. Piece over here. All that is 2 pieces of leaf springs. There's also a piece of leaf spring on the end, which will go on top of the tire and on the floor jack. Alright, you see I've already got the floor jack. Now we need to bust the bead down on this tire. Be sure not to put the valve stem anywhere near here. It will crush it. Tire goes on there. There. And okay. Watch it easily push down on the tire. Sometimes if it don't pop already, you gotta turn the wheel. Oh, there it went. Over, stay away from the valve stem. Chain it over, lock it in place. Done. Any questions, comments? Please leave them down below. We have more of this stuff coming. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.